Hi, everyone. This is Jackie Cooper with CryptoMom2 Talk Show and the Blockchain Legal Institute. I want to welcome everyone to this episode and ask that you like and subscribe because there are some wonderful conversations happening that are in the queue that I haven't had a chance to edit yet. So I want you to always be in the know of what's going on within our blockchain community. I also want to ask that you hop on over to the Blockchain Legal Institute because we are in the process of adding so much new content to BLI. And we are also hosting a global summit broadcast on October 24th. And we are going to be having 3 panels with individuals who are thought leaders from around the world. So today I have a special guest on. I met him in Toronto at the Blockchain Futurist Conference, and I'm very excited to talk with him about his journey within the blockchain space. For those that are new to CryptoMom2, I'll just share a little bit of background about myself. I'm an attorney. I'm also an educator in the area of special education, and I'm also an author of the Bitcoin Cinderella blockchain adventure series. And there are 2 more of those books that are coming down the pike in 2024. I'm writing the Bitcoin Cinderella and the True Stories of Women in Bitcoin, which is going to be a fun read for those that would like to learn about the biographies of real life stories for the last 13 years of those that have experienced Bitcoin. And then I'm also in the process of writing a book about Bermuda, and it's called The Bitcoin Cinderella and the Pink Sands Treasure of Bermuda. And it's all about the fintech community within Bermuda. And I'm very excited to be partnering with the government of Bermuda for the release of this book also in 2024 in the May timeframe. So with that, I want to welcome my guest on. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. How are you, Jackie?
I'm good. I'm good. So why don't you go ahead and explain a little bit more about your journey, how you got into the crypto space, the blockchain space, and you're located where now? Where are you
Uh,
located?
I'm located in Windsor, Ontario.
Yeah. So we're very multicultural here. So tell me more about how you got started.
Sure. Basically, my journey started in crypto back in 2015, and that's when, I started knowing about Bitcoin. You know, I bought my first Bitcoin around 2015. Uh, but my real journey about my platform, which is CryptoShoppe.com, it started like 3 years ago. So the reason I started this, because 3 or 4 years ago, I was researching intensively about different crypto currencies. There are many cryptocurrencies, and then I come to know that okay, there should be a tool so that people can purchase a real physical goods using this digital currencies. Because whatever the invention has done by Satoshi by inventing Bitcoin is just phenomenal, and that digital currency should be used for buying real goods. So that's the real motivation behind opening or creating my platform,
So
CryptoShop.
do you want to show us the platform? Because again,
Sure.
I love the idea that you can actually use cryptocurrency to buy physical products. So
So here you can see my platform. You can see CryptoShoppe.com. You can go to my website, and then you can purchase different goods. So currently you can buy like laptops, shoes, different art, culture, and probably you know that like few years ago Elon Musk started accepting Dogecoin. So you can buy different like pet products using Dogecoin. So these are the some of the products I have chosen for your favorite dog or your favorite pet, and you can use the Dogecoin for purchasing these pet products. Uh, I I really want to mention here one particular thing that I started is books. So you can currently buy this one book, which was, you know, written by our favorite host Jackie, and she's the real motivation behind to open a catalog and its books. So there will be multiple books coming to this, and no, we know that the Jackie is um, writing so many books. So all her books will be coming here soon. And I would like Jackie to like talk a little bit about this this book, or
Yeah,
if you
so
want to mention
the big
something.
the Bitcoin Cinderella book actually is the first in my series, and it's
Hmm.
actually translated also in Creole and Spanish as well, which I know that you and I had talked about putting it on there. The second book is called The Bitcoin Cinderella and the Seven Dwarves, which is just about Bitcoin mining, and that also is in English and soon to be in Spanish as well. And the Bitcoin Cinderella story is a fun read for all ages, adults as well as children. And Cinderella actually goes on an adventure to find her mom across the blockchain. Her mom was, I took some literary license, was one of the original blockchain engineers that worked with Satoshi. And so Samantha, who's the Bitcoin Cinderella, is learning all about metaverse and NFTs and the various vocabulary within this fairy tale. And
Hmm.
so within the fairy tale, you have the traditional stories, you know, the Cinderella story, the Snow White story, a lot of other stories, but there's always QR
Right.
codes at the back of the book that
Hmm.
will take you back to the online portal. So I'm excited to have the book on your platform because you know, if someone is interested in getting it in fiat, then they can go to Amazon. But if they want to use the currency, cryptocurrency like Litecoin, they can obtain it on your
Yes,
platform.
yes, and I'm really happy that you allow me to um, have this on my platform. It sounds amazing. I'm really excited to have all your books on my platform. People can purchase using digital currencies, and that's the main goal of the um, crypto shopping. And that way you can see like there are many options you have, and there's another option we are working on with um, um, different companies, that we give the business solutions for different companies, like if they want to accept fiat, or if they want to pay their employees in Bitcoin. So these are the business solutions also we are working on um, through the crypto shopping, and that's the main goal of the crypto shopping, that to use this awesome technology, or awesome digital currencies, to bring it into the mainstream, and you can utilize those digital currencies to buy everyday services or everyday products.
So I love that you have such a variety on here. So you have real estate, mining equipment, clothing, electronics. How does someone buy real estate on your platform? How does that work?
So, if somebody want to buy a real estate, they can see the listings. So we generally, deal with means we have the team of the lawyer and a real estate agent. So you can go to the platform and purchase the real estate, and or you can directly contact us, and we can set up a viewing, and we can set up the transaction as well to purchase um, real estate. So currently we are dealing only in Canada.
Mhm.
So means we are happy to expand our reach to global audience, but we are very new, and we are expanding, and but we right now only limited to Canadian soil.
So, do you have relationships with real estate agents, or is it the for sale by owners? How does that work?
So mostly it is by the real estate agents, and the real estate agents have the connections with the owner. But if somebody wants to list their home on my platform, they can reach to us, and we can directly post your house or your property on my platform, and we will take care of the all the distribution or transaction.
And what about mining equipment? How are you how do you do the mining equipment? Is it Bitcoin mining equipment, or what kind of mining equipment are you offering?
So right now we are offering the Bitcoin mining equipments. These are like mining equipment. So we are currently offering. It's changes because as per like if somebody it depends on the quantity. It depends on the supply. That's how we manage it. But it's not just limited to Bitcoin, but we supply other miners as well.
That sounds great. And why don't you go back over to the catalog so we can see exactly what other things you're offering. For those that are on my audio side, definitely pop over to the YouTube side, because again, you're going to want to kind of take a look at all of this. In terms of the wardrobes and things like that, where are you finding the clothing that you're offering on your site?
Okay, so we are working on the clothing, but right now our main signature product, I would say, is Jordan shoes. So
Oh,
like
wow. Okay.
yeah, so if you want to purchase some Jordans, you should go to the Crypto Shopee and purchase your favorite Jordans from here.
Okay. So, do you end up, do you have like a physical location, or this is always an online type of shop?
Uh, we would love to go to a physical location. As I mentioned, like we are very new. We are like growing day by day, and in future we would like to have a one physical location where you can purchase these some of these products or even the new products at the physical location,
Okay.
and that will be again only digital currencies.
So are you going to be at any future conferences where people can meet you and see what you're doing? Because I know that you do travel around at times.
Yeah, so the next year I will be in the Bitcoin conference, Nashville.
Oh, then I'll
That's
see you
yeah,
there.
yeah, absolutely, yeah. Currently, I'm the website is growing, and I'm really focused on the website. But I had a great time at the blockchain conference, and I'm so happy that I able to meet you, and it was pleasure talking to you. I read your blogs, and I as soon as I get a little bit time from this, I'm gonna start reading your books. So that's the main goal. Um, um, I'm planning on having a booth or somewhere in these conferences. So I'm working on that. So if I find like a conference which is nearby me, and like it's because platform is growing, and it's occupying my time. And so, but I really want to go to these conferences, have uh, have an open booth for the crypto shop.
That sounds great. That sounds great. So any
Hmm.
last minute thoughts that you would like to share with everyone? For those that are listening, I'll definitely have the links below so you can check it out. And any last minute thoughts that you'd like to share with our listeners?
Absolutely. I really want everyone to look at my platform. It's cryptoshopee.com. It's a great platform where you can purchase you can purchase the digital currencies. It's a future. and definitely I want everyone to start living in future and buy their favorite products through crypto shopping.
That sounds great. I know that Amazon started with just books and has grown
Hmm.
to a very large marketplace.
Yes,
So again, I do believe that cryptocurrency should be used as a currency. And the idea that you're able to obtain physical products using cryptocurrency, I think is definitely a way to go, like you said. So I appreciate your having the Bitcoin Cinderella on there, and I look forward to seeing what other products that you end up adding. This is, an exciting way to kind of have individuals be able to use their coins, their cryptocurrency in a way that actually supports their physical well-being and their lifestyle.
absolutely. Thank you. That's perfect explanation, and I'm really honored that you gave me a chance to talk about my platform, and I'm definitely happy that your book is on my platform. I know people are gonna come and buy your book and read more about or understand about the cryptocurrencies, Web3s through your book.
Thank you so much. So for everyone that's listening, as I always say at the end of all my talk shows, be kind to yourself, be kind to others. We're also interconnected. We're all part of one world. Definitely like and subscribe because there's more to come. And everyone, have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.